Have you ever felt like your traditional bank just isn't cutting it? That you're paying too much in fees and getting too little in rewards? Well, you're not alone. A growing number of people are turning to alternative financial solutions. One popular option is the Koho card. But how do you actually get one? That's what we're diving into today. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of applying for a Koho card, let's talk about why you might want one. Koho positions itself as a spending and saving platform that helps you manage your money better. It offers features like cashback rewards, round-up savings, and fee-free transactions. It's designed to be a more flexible and user-friendly alternative to traditional banks. Now, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for a Koho card, you generally need to be a Canadian resident aged 18 or older with a valid Canadian social insurance number. Koho also performs a soft credit check as part of the application process, but this typically doesn't impact your credit score. The application process itself is pretty straightforward. You can start by downloading the Koho app or visiting their website. Once there, you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to verify your identity. Koho offers several options for this, including government-issued ID and a selfie. After you've verified your identity, you'll be asked to link a bank account to your Koho account. This is where you'll transfer funds to and from your Koho card. It's important to note that Koho doesn't offer traditional banking services, so you'll need a separate bank account for deposits and withdrawals. Once your account is set up and verified, you can order your Koho card. The card typically arrives within a few business days. In the meantime, you can use the virtual card that's provided to start making purchases. Now, let's talk about the different types of Koho cards. There are a few options to choose from, each with its own set of features and benefits. The basic Koho card is free and offers features like cashback rewards and round-up savings. If you want more perks, you can upgrade to a premium card for a monthly fee. This card often comes with higher cashback rates, increased savings limits, and other benefits. Once you have your Koho card, it's time to start using it. The card works like any other debit card. You can use it to make purchases online and in-store. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs, although there may be fees associated with this. One of the key features of Koho is its cashback rewards program. You earn cashback on eligible purchases, which is then deposited into your Koho account. The cashback rate varies depending on the type of card you have and the merchant you're using. Another popular feature is round-up savings. With this feature, Koho rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically invests the difference. Over time, this can add up to a significant amount of savings. Koho also offers a fee-free spending account. This means you can send and receive money without incurring any fees. It's a great option for people who want to avoid bank account fees. Now, let's address some common questions about Koho. First, is Koho safe? Koho uses advanced security measures to protect your information. Your card transactions are encrypted, and your account is protected by password and two-factor authentication. Second, is Koho available in all of Canada? Koho is available nationwide in Canada. You can apply for a card no matter where you live. Third, can I use Koho to build credit? While Koho doesn't report your payment histories to credit bureaus, it does offer a feature called Koho Score. This is a measure of your financial responsibility based on your Koho account activity. Building a strong Koho score can help you qualify for higher credit limits and better rewards. Finally, what are the fees associated with Koho? The basic Koho card is free, but there are fees for some services, such as ATM withdrawals and international transactions. It's important to review the fee schedule before signing up. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to getting a Koho card. Remember, Koho can be a great option for people looking to save money and earn rewards. But it's important to weigh the pros and cons and choose the card that best fits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.